Lifestyles Lottery, featuring amazing grand prizes.
He bit me.
Get some sausage, Jericho.
And that big red thing that's in there, that's not sausage, that's her tongue.
Oh.
What's the word you with, Caitlin?
My food got soggy in my mouth. Oh my god.
That juicy Angus tenderness. Just wait.
Ow, he bit me.
You got it. Give me a hand, at least.
I think he pierced my lip.
Fingers.
He said, you got any more in there? Oh, he's not Caitlin. You got any more?
No, he's gonna bite my tongue.
Caitlin, you won't be able to sleep with your mouth open anymore if he's in the room. Uh-oh.
Hey, yo, get down.
Get it off the table there, spin again.
You know what this is? Some more? Want some more?
And that's exactly what goes into Tostino's chips. Whole grain corn. 14 grams of whole
He's waiting for you to know you so you can get in.
Tostitos. Made with the goodness of whole grains.
Bit my tooth.
It hopes to be a small community bringing developers looking to cost.
I don't want him to eat it because it hurts. She bites me.
Today, Loudon, Virginia looks more like a ghost town. As Eric Sorensen tells us, the only thing that people behind it are getting out. The lesson, we need to caution.
Gotta go. Hey.
Loudon County, Virginia, once known for horse farms and rolling hills, was transformed in the last decade
Okay,
into the
stop.
fastest growing region in America.